So we have the door handle. This was made also not through InfiStudio, but with an outside CAD system.
Yeah, from SolidWorks, I believe.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, we have the 3D model. And now let me give it a go. So we have aluminum things right here, generating the tool path. Again, once again, just check if the end mills are all inside.
Just place it, just roughly a center. You don't have to be like very precise because our like prop system is gonna do that work for you. And then we'll just tight it. Check if it's fully secure. If it's good. It's a J demo. Yes, definitely we're gonna do that because like this time we have a steel and aluminum connect to the machine, and we have the file sent over. It's actually door handle, blah blah blah. We're gonna like confirm selection and hit start. For machining.
Okay.
And by the way, you know, InfiMaker K1 is the only machine in the market that has automatic propping system. It's gonna do all the work for you, no hassle at all. We're manufacturing a door for a cabinet.
Oh, I think this is a great part.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna start doing the.
Now it's drilling the hole, and you know, I think in the next step we're gonna have the cut threading, the thread cutting. Yeah. Well, I think finally it's finished. Yeah.
Okay, so should we bring out Master O?
Yeah. Please remember to wear your safety gloves.
Safety gloves, guys. We're gonna do some of the cutout. Can we zoom in the panel?
Zoom in. There's gonna be some leftover, which is very expected. This is how the cutoff feature works.
To get this done, it would have been ages in the past.
Yeah.
Just to get this done. I think we can make a
reflection InfiStudio, so you have your customized logo on it. But this is only 5x can do actually. We have decorations on each side, and also check this out. The thread cutting, everything is finished within one go.
I think I got you.
Yeah.
You guys are amazing.
Yeah, so actually I'm gonna install it on our cabinet to show. There you go.
The bowl works perfectly. That is awesome.
A new design.
That's so cool. Let's go. Let's roll it. Let's roll it.
Sure. Look at that. The new design. I think it's back to life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it looks way cooler now.
Way cooler than the original design.
Yeah. You guys can tell, little engraving we made.